to Uncle J class. We are, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing so that you'll be getting my subsequent lessons or you'll be able to watch even the previous lessons. Today we are going to do a new thing and it is log reading. Log reading lesson 1. Log reading is the power to which a number must be raised in order to get some other number, or it can also be defined as a given power in which the number can be written. So what we simply mean, before we go further, this log reading is guided by rules, and we are going to take few rules here. Product rule, which is log mn base a is equals to log m base a plus log n base a. While quotient rule has to do with division. Log m over n base a is written as log m base a minus log n base a. Then power rule is log m raised to power n base a equals to n log m base a. Change of base rule. When you want to change a base of a log, you are introducing new base. What we now do is that the present base will go into division by saying log b. Like here now, log b base a. You are changing it to new base. It will now be log b over log a. Base, the new base will now come in. Note that whenever you have log to its base, log 5 base 5 is equals to 1. Log 10 base 10 equals to 1. Log 20 base 20 equals to 1. Any log to its base is equals to 1. But log 1 to base 10 is equals to 0. Any log 1 to any base is equals to 0. We are going to take some examples to portray some of these law. Some of that example will start from the product law. Example of the product log 3 base 10 plus log 4 base 10. In addition of log, you multiply the numbers and base 10 remain. It will become log 3 times 4 all base 10, which will give you log 12 base 10. So this is the answer. This is example of product rule. Example of quotient rule. Quotient rule, when we have log 16 over 4 base 10. This simply means log 16 base 10 minus log 4 base 10. Okay? So when we have such, we have agreed that a minus is division. So it's the same thing as log 16 over 4, which you can reduce to 4 divided 4 base 10. So we now have log 4 base 10. This is how to do this type of. If we can as well do it in the power rule. Power rule. power rule. When we have something like log 100 base 10, log 10, 10 raised to power 2 base 10 is the same thing as 2. You carry the power out, then log 10 base 10. And any log to its base is 1. So it becomes 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. Then lastly is on the change of base. Example on change of base. Change of base log. When we have something like log 32 base 2, and they ask you to change, probably they ask you to change this base to base 3. Okay, base 3, change of base to base 3. So this thing will now become log 32 base 3 over log 2 base 3. So this is what you get. And if we solve further, 32 base 3, you can simplify 32. It's the same thing as 2 raised to power 5 over log all in base 3. 2 raised to power 1 base 3. So by the time you simplify further, what you now have is 5 log 2 over log 2 base 3. This one base 3. So log 2 base 3 can cancel out. Your answer becomes 5. So this is how to go about this type of